All right, let's have some fun with this mess that I've created, or unfortunate accident that we might be able to make something fun with. I've been threatening to make things with Lush products because there's nothing like it in the dupes. So let's do that with this sample. Okay guys, let's get crafting. Okay, so we've got our little messy everything. Lord of Misrule. Let's pour it all in. I'm using my fingers because this is my sample. And you know, guys, if this turns out, I'm gonna go buy a big bottle of Lord of Misrule. I love the scent, but I'm always disappointed in scents that come from, I'm gonna take everybody that, from the dupe fragrance houses. I like the real stuff. So there we've got that. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna start adding all these natural sugar packets until we make a sugar scrub. So I'm gonna make a nice big mess and we're gonna make a sugar scrub. Take whatever sugars that have been put in my really funny story. We've been in Edmonton for almost a week, and so our room gets cleaned, and we end up getting lots and lots of stuff because we're here for multiple days. So it's kind of fun. See how we're doing. So we're not quite at a sugar scrub. I'll keep track. We can add more. So when I put it back in here, I want to have enough for it not to leak out, because if it leaks out, I mean, then I don't get to try everything. Cosmetic chemists can craft anywhere. Oh, it's starting to look more like a sugar scrub. And it still has all those powerful Lush scents. Oh, so Lush is infamous for, they were originally perfumers and they expanded and really comes out in the products. It's just absolutely fabulous. It's the only perfume, in my opinion, the Lush perfumes, that you can mix like essential oils and they all still smell good when you're done. So I've got a mix of brown and, oh, we're getting a scrub. I'm just gonna go grab a spoon for stirring. All right, so I didn't find a spoon, but I've got this. This should work. Getting where we need to be for a sugar scrub. It's looking very sugar scrubby. Just gonna give it a little more. And we'll use up the bigger natural sugars first. 2 of those in. 1 and 2. I'm gonna give that a bit of a stir. Basically, with this principle, you can turn a Lush body wash into a sugar scrub. And the neat thing about this, just so you know, is you don't have to add additional preservatives, because the sugar gets rid of all that extra available water and it becomes self-preserving. Your final. There was preservative in here from Lush, but your new product that you've created using the Lush goodies. Okay, that's how I like mine to be. I like mine to be like that. In fact, it's still a bit wetter. I'm gonna go ahead and use it all. Got 2 more left. We're gonna go ahead and put the last 2 in. Florida Misrule. Oh my gosh, guys. I've turned, okay, don't tell anybody, but I've turned a sample into a full-size product here. Wow. Now, if you want this to be a little more emollient, go ahead and add a little bit of oil to it, maybe argan oil, make it really nice for the skin. You'll have to add more sugar. Make sure you get it to like this nice thick dough-like consistency so that you've trapped all of the water so it can't grow bugs. All right. All right, so I am gonna go test this. And I kind of want to make it into a hand scrub. If I wanted to, it's still too strong to turn it into a face scrub. It's literally like 100 grams now. Let's see how many grams these little sugars are each. So they are, teaspoon I think is 5 grams. They're each a teaspoon. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packets of sugar, whatever those are, with about half of one of these little sample containers. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this little guy up so you can see how much is in it, because I'm going to be using this for my whole. Yeah, I'm going to go buy a big bottle because I love this, and this means that I can enjoy Lord of Misrule a little more longer and in a different way, not just as a body wash, but as a scrub. Oh wow, and look at that, it's just as awesome as a scrub as it was. Like, it's just as bright and beautiful and fragrant, and it is definitely still Lush. And I've got big old container. I probably twice to doubled its volume. So no, quadrupled its volume. So I know approximately part for part what I can do for myself with my limited edition, soon to expire because they're holiday special products, so I can enjoy them for longer. If this gave you any fun ideas, I'm going to be doing more of this. I hadn't planned on doing this quite so soon. I haven't even left Edmonton yet, and I got this sample yesterday. So I mean, wow, this is going to be awesome. So I'll be right back, and I'm just going to test this as a sugar scrub on my hands. Okay. Okay, we've got some of the scrub. It's getting lots and lots of creamy bubbles. So let me just show you what a body wash scrub looks like. Get all those bubbles. And it's exfoliating my hands. And this little guy's not going to continue to leak. Sometime it's, what is it? Necessity is the mother of invention. Thank you for the leaky sample. Excellent, excellent. So luscious. Lord of Misrule, my friends. Excellent, awesome. You should get some before it's gone. Hope you enjoyed this. Click like and subscribe if you want to come and see more. Bye for now.